This customer is that kind of brand that everybody knows, car manufacturing plant. They had a huge warehouse, just like any other automotive plant that you have ever visited. Well, the space dedicated to the assembly line is absolutely huge. They were about to automate the logistics transport from the warehouse to the main assembly line. They have tested several solutions, but they were not really working for different reasons. The lack of availability of the solutions that they have tested in the past. Another issue was the lack of strategy. So they have tested several solutions, but without a global strategy for the plant. So we participated and designed with them the future of the plant. So how they were going to start again and how they were going to scale the automation with AGVs and AMRs throughout the plant. It is true that we are a company that executes. We are a consulting company, but in most of the cases, we are really keen to execute what we are saying. It's not like this is a paper and we don't move forward. We are talking about the movement of any part that is assembled in the main assembly line. So during the trim and final section of the assembly line, the sequenced parts like the rear and front axles, the lights, any kind of part that you can imagine inside a car. When you want to automate in automotive industry, particularly the transportation from the warehouse to the main assembly line, it is extremely useful to work with a kitting process with kits. So that allows to, let's say, concentrate the supply to one entry point and the collection of the empty trolleys at the end of that section of the main assembly line. So the use of a kitting process works pretty well with AGVs and AMRs. They contacted us because we had several contacts in the past, and they have had very good references from other customers we have in the automotive industry. So if you are not sure about how to start deploying mobile robotics, AGVs and AMRs in your plant, and you need a way of starting and you need a strategy, contact us.